What are you doing?
I'm painting.
Are you making a mess?
No.
That's a mess.
No, I'm painting.
What are you painting?
White.
You're painting it white?
Yeah. I'm finished this one.
You finished that one? What is the picture of?
White.
It's just a picture of white? Oh. I think you're making a mess.
No, I'm painting. Oops.
What is that?
Good. It's raining now.
It's windy out, isn't it?
Yes.
Are you feeling better?
No.
No? Your tummy's not feeling better?
It's that you feel sick.
What did you say?
Look, I finished this one.
Oh, yeah, it's lovely. It's a mess for Mommy to clean up.
No.
Yes.
And wash it down. I will use some cold water.
And you're going to use some cold water? Nice. Lovely.
But why is it not?
Yeah, great painting. It's a good thing you don't have real paint. I would be in some very big trouble.